Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm the author of this brand new book called Drawing Cute Animals Shape by Shapes. What's different about this? Because you start with shape by shapes and you end with them. It's so simple. You don't have to modify them at all. And here's a Fennec Fox. I have a viewer on Facebook who's begging for a Fennec Fox, and I've got one. So let's try this one. There are lots of steps, and I'll take you through a few right now. So let's start the Fennec Fox with a half circle. And you might say, well, that's not a half circle. What is that? Yes, it is. It's on its side. And that's a very popular shape for cartoon characters. It's a half circle on its side. We'll start this way, and we will put a little muzzle here and a little nose like this. Now let's lay it out now. Here is the neck. And we'll just extend the body like that, like this. And round it at the bottom. Bring some long limbs down this way. And one in back. Add a little plumper for the back leg. Come down this way. And a little bit of mass here for the paw, same thing. Nice, even, and simple stance. The rump comes up a little bit of the chest here. Just little things make a difference. And let's have that bushy tail hang down like this. Now, let's add 2 dots right here. That's all you need, just 2 dots. Little surprise, here's a surprise Fennec Fox. So eyebrows are going up. Now we'll just add a little bit of fur at the edges, but we're keeping the exact shape that we started with. And now the fox has huge ears, the Fennec Fox, if you haven't seen one. It's like a fox, but like with a helicopter on its head. And we like to add depth to it, and that's why I have the inner line. And a little bit of shadow here. A little scruffiness up here. And if you want, not necessary, but sometimes it looks good to add a little shading on the snout. Now we'll add a little rough fur over this way, and we'll just darken some of this a bit. Hind leg is darker, the hind leg here is darker. Big long tail. Looks like an impediment, but they seem to like them, which is good because they have them. So they're stuck with them. Here is the marking for the tummy, just a little white area. Why don't we give him a little mouth this way? Just like that. There we go. And how about some ground here, like that, like so. And there we have it. We have your simple shape by shape Fennec Fox. Let's see how we did. Yeah, that's pretty close. And all those steps are simple steps. Look at that. We just add one thing at a time throughout the book. I hope you get it, drawing cute animals shape by shape, and I also hope you'll join me again. Thanks for joining me today. Bye-bye.